Hey, I'm Katie with WTI, and I have been feeling the power with this LURSKY handheld hedge trimmer. Now, it does have your typical hedge trimmer blade on it. It says it's limited to 0.3 inches for the width of a branch. Now, I cannot look at a branch and just think, oh, yep, that's 0.3 inches. Nope, that's not. This basically lets you know. It is going to stop and not be able to cut through anything that is wider. Now, a little bonus feature that I personally love is the grass clipper part. We have wildflowers growing along our fence line, and when they're first starting to come up, the grass is still taller than they are, and we really want to get it cut down. So using the grass clipper along that metal fence is perfect to get that cut down. The battery is really long lasting. It is rechargeable. I recharge it inside, and I have only had to charge it once. I've been using it all over the yard, all along the fence line, and haven't had to recharge it yet, so I know that it's nice and long lasting. I also like the safety feature that you have to slide this forward before you can actually push the button to start the power. That way it's not going to just start going on you when you're not ready for it, and you might lose a finger that is less than 0.3 inches in diameter. This isn't overly heavy. I was able to get quite a bit of work done one-handed before I was fatigued, and you can also adjust the blade about 15 degrees so you can get the angle that you want to and get in nice and tight. This has been a lot of fun to play around with this summer, and my husband might be out of a job, although he might not really care that much. That's my point of view.